Hey friends, I'm Shelly. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 3 of my Christmas series. So my other videos have all been about Christmas decor, but if you guys have been here for a little bit, you'll know that I'm a bartender, and I previously was a bartender, but it never leaves you. And I quite enjoy making cocktails, and so every time I decorate my bar for one of the holidays, I also like to give you guys a cocktail recipe that you can share with your friends or your family. This cocktail doesn't have a name. I just put it all together with some of the things that I already have in my bar, and so we'll just call it a festive cocktail. Here are all the ingredients for this drink that we're gonna make. The first thing that you're gonna need is something to rim the glass with. So this is just some sugar crystals, red and green, to make it festive. I've already juiced 1 whole lime here. I made these ice cubes previously, so they're just cranberries in ice cube trays with water, and then I froze them. And then you're gonna need some ginger ale, some cranberry juice, and some bitters, but you can omit the bitters if you don't have it. And we're gonna make this cocktail with gin. I have a bottle of Tanqueray here, and gin is a botanical alcohol, so you're gonna end up with almost like a zesty kind of taste to your cocktail. The first thing we're gonna do is take a glass, and I'm just using one of my wine glasses, and we're going to dip the rim of the glass into any sort of juice and then give it a little shake to get the excess off. And then you're just gonna turn it around in the sugar crystals and just make sure that the entire rim is covered in the sugar crystals. When you're finished, it should look something like this. The next thing I'm going to do is pour the ice in, and then I'm going to leave that there for a second. I'm going to take my cocktail shaker, which already has some ice in it, and I'm going to use my jigger. This is a jigger. One side has 1 ounce, the other side has ½ an ounce. And I'm going to pour 2 ounces of gin right into the cocktail shaker. And then I'm going to take my bitters. This is Dylan's cranberry bitters, which I got in my Jilly box last year. But you guys can use regular bitters. This cranberry bitters is gonna go really nice for Christmas time. And I'm literally just gonna put 2 dashes in there. Next, I'm just gonna take my strainer and put it over the top, and I'm gonna swirl this around. And you wanna swirl drinks that have gin in them because gin becomes cloudy if you shake it. So for the aesthetic of the cocktail, we're just gonna stir it. And then I'm going to pour this straight over the ice. I'm then going to top it with just some regular Canada Dry ginger ale. And I'm going to add the lime juice to the top and use my pretty stir stick to just give it a quick stir, and I'll leave that in there. And here you have your festive cranberry gin cocktail. If you guys can think of a name for this cocktail, leave it down in the comments below. If you try making this cocktail, please tag me on Instagram so I can see. I'd love to see how you guys are using my recipe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new around here. You can follow me over on Instagram at mrs.shelly.shoosh, and I will catch up with you guys next time in a new video. Bye!